Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
That's because I don't see lust in it. It is the love, pure love, and love for life. I think if every writer has pure love in his heart and compassion for the humanity, then I don't think it is difficult to be not popular, I would say, to be a good writer. Not that I am a good writer, I write, but to become a good writer, you have to be compassionate. That's the primary need of it.
Is a story magnet. I think if you are respectful of the person behind the position, whatever position it is, whether it is the position of the farmer or the bodyguard or the taxi driver, if you are willing to listen to their stories, the stories will come to you. But you're willing to listen, and to be willing to listen is to give the self a back seat.